Now let's make the very best chips the way my nan used to make them. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Please like, subscribe and share. And of course enjoy. We're going to start by peeling and chopping some white potatoes. Let's cut them nice and big. We don't want skinny chips. We're not making fries here. And now let's boil our chips in salted water for around 7 to 8 minutes. And now we'll mix our beef dripping 50-50 with rapeseed oil and bring it up to about 170 degrees centigrade in the pan. Never overfill a pan containing oil or leave it unattended. After 7 minutes, we'll drain our chips and set aside. We'll check the temperature of the oil by cooking just one chip first before adding the rest of the chips. After 10 minutes at 170, let's turn the temperature up to 180 for the final 2 minutes to give that crispiness. And look at those beauties, I can't wait to try them. Bit of salt, bit of a shake, and maybe some vinegar. Now I'm going to serve mine the same way as my nan used to, with some fried eggs and some tinned ham from the pantry. Just have a look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now if you're an old timer watching this video, I know you know just how good the jelly on that ham tastes and those delicious crispy chips. Have a lovely day you all, and you are watching Roots and Resilience.